Hello mga kapito, welcome back to my channel dito sa ating usapang referee. Okay, so for today's video, pag-uusapan natin ang new rule ng FIBA rule. Okay, ang new rule na pag-uusapan natin ngayon ay yung throw-in foul. Okay, kasi para mabigyan natin ng liwanag kung ano ba yung throw-in foul. Ang throw-in foul ay ito yung ina-apply lamang sa fourth quarter of the game under 2 minutes. Okay? Under 2 minutes. So, last quarter to ina-apply. Okay? So, ano ba yung throw-in foul? So, babasahin natin yung throw-in foul, yung definition niya para malaman natin kung ano ba yung throw-in foul. Okay? So, throw-in foul or personal foul. A personal foul is a player's illegal contact with an opponent, whether the ball is live or dead. A player shall not hold, block, push, charge, trip, or impede the progress of an opponent by extending his hand, arm, elbow, shoulder, hip, leg, knee, or foot, nor by bending his body into abnormal position outside the cylinder, nor shall be indulged in any rough or violent play. Okay, so yan po yung tinatawag na personal foul. Okay. So, paano ito mangyayari ang new rule na tinatawag na throw-in foul? Okay, ang throw-in foul is a personal foul committed when the game clock shows 2 minutes or less in the fourth quarter and it's overtime by a defense player or an opponent on the playing court when the ball is out of bounds for a throw-in and is still in the hands of the referee of the disposal of the player taking throw-in. Okay. So yung throw-in, ito yung ina-apply, tulad ng sinabi ko kanina, ito yung ina-apply under 2 minutes ng fourth quarter. Okay? So, halimbawa, nagkaroon ng foul, hindi pa nadidispose yung bola, kumbaga i-inbound pa lang yung bola, nagkaroon ng foul. So, matcha-charge yun ng personal foul or throw-in foul, which is magkakaroon ng, ang penalty noon ay 1 free throw plus ball position. Okay? Kasi yung old rule ay pag ganun, under 2 minutes, bali ang penalty noon kung magkaroon ng foul ay unsportsmanlike foul ang ibibigay. Okay, yung unsportsmanlike foul ay magkakaroon ng 2 free throw plus ball position. So ngayon, nagkaroon ng pagbabago ng rule, ng FIBA rule. So under 2 minutes, this is yung tinatawag na throw-in foul. So, pag nagkaroon ng foul, regular foul, let's say, nagkaroon ng foul, under 2 minutes, so matcha-charge siya ng throw-in foul at ang penalty ay 1 free throw plus ball position. Okay. Ito naman yung tanong. Kung halimbawa, nagkaroon ng foul under 2 minutes or less, tapos, yung offending team ay halimbawa, naka 5 fouls na sila. Okay, so karoon ng 5 fouls, so paano yung penalties na gagawin doon? Okay, bali linawin ko lang mga kapito. Bali yung throw in foul na yon na sa bagong rule. Halimbawa, nagkaroon ng foul, so award siya na mag-award ng halimbawa yung team A yung may hawak ng bola. Nagkaroon ng foul. So ang award doon ay 1 free throw plus ball position. Okay? Plus ball position. Walang ano yun, walang jumper. Okay? Walang jumper yon. 1 free throw plus ball position, walang jumper. So halimbawa, yung dito sa tumira ng sa 2 points area, okay? Sa 2 points field goal, halimbawa, tumira siya at hindi pumasok. Halimbawa, tumira siya, hindi pumasok. So, that na nagkaroong foul, so mag-award ng 2 free throws. Sa 2 free throws, may jumpers yun. Okay? May jumpers. Pag 2 free throws. Ganon din sa 3 free throws. May jumper din. Okay? So, okay na ba mga kapito? Malinaw ba yung pag-i-explain? Okay, basta ang tatandaan natin, halimbawa ito yung sa throw in foul, ina-apply to sa under 2 minutes, okay? Under 2 minutes ng 4th quarter of the game. So, pag nagkaroon ng foul, ang award niya is 1 free throw plus ball position. Okay? Ngayon, pag may penalty, halimbawa, penalty na, nakakommit na sila ng 5 team fouls. So, ang awarding nun is 2 free throw with jumpers. Yung throw in foul, without jumpers yun. 1 free throw plus ball position without jumper. Pag may penalty na, with jumper na po yun. Okay? Halimbawa, 5 team fouls na, then magkakaroon ng free throws. Pag nagkaroon ng foul, so sa free throw na yon may jumpers na po yun. Okay? Maliwanag mga kapito. At saka kung halimbawa, depende naman sa fouls na nagawa noong player under 2 minutes. Halimbawa, ang foul niyang nagawa is pang unsportsmanlike foul or pang thrown out foul na yung ginawa niya. So, i-apply yun. Okay? Ganun pa rin sa old rule yun. Basta ang binago lang dito sa new rule ay yung sa throw in foul o yung personal foul na kapag nagkaroon ng foul under 2 minutes or less in the 4th quarter of the game, so ang penalty is 1 free throw plus ball position. Okay? Maliwanag ba mga kapito?